A strip in play, its name actually makes sense. It's where you strip the hand and then you throw your opponent in at the end of the hand to lead the suit that you never ever want to lead. So do you try to do this on every hand? No. The cool thing about strip in plays is you can see whether you have a strip in play technique at trick 1. When the dummy comes down, the opening lead, dummy comes down, and you can analyze all 4 suits. Every suit is going to have a job. And if one of the suits is missing, one of the job suits is missing, then you don't have an in play. It's generally a suit that well, the first thing you do is if you recognize a never ever suit. I have 3 very common ones on the screen. The idea of a never ever suit is, as declarer, you never ever want to lead the suit. It's much better for declarer if the defender leads the suit. Let's look at these 3 common never ever suits. In the club suit, if declarer were to lead the suit, let's say they lead the 3 to the queen and East wins the king. And then they come back, they get control, and they lead the 4 to the jack and West wins the ace. And then either defender wins the 3rd round. So if declarer is left to play the suit, odds are high that the ace and the king are split in the 2 hands, and declarer is going to lose 3 tricks. Now, I'm not going to tell you, it's not magic. You're not going to eliminate all the losers in your never ever suit. What you're usually trying to do is eliminate one of the losers, right? So if left to play the suit, declarer would have 3 losers. But if we can have the defense lead the suit, let's say West leads a club, declarer can play 2nd hand low, East would have to play 3rd hand high, and declarer would play low. Well, now you can see, as declarer, when you gain control, you could use the promotion technique and sacrifice the queen to push out the ace, thereby promoting the jack, leaving declarer with just 2 losers, the ace and the king, right? Or you can sacrifice the jack to push out the king and develop the queen into a trick and eliminating a loser in this combination. So this is a very common never ever suit. If when dummy comes down and you're looking at your hand in the dummy and you see some combination of a queen 3rd opposite a jack 3rd, think in play.